Hey guys, wondering what to make with leftover pork from a holiday meal? I'll show you in this video. So get a French baguette and you can make 3 cuts here, like this. I mean 2 cuts, sorry. That'll make 3 sandwiches, about half a foot long. You can use any bread. And also cut them lengthwise. So here is the leftover pork. Put that on the bread. And then here, get some mozzarella cheese. You could use maybe almost any kind of cheese for this. So then you get 2 pickles and you put that on top of the cheese. Then you get some mustard and you spread it across the top bread piece. Then you put the top bread on there. So again, put some butter in the pan. Drop your sandwich in. Let that cook. Let the cheese get melty. Put some more butter in the pan. And also cook the top of the sandwich. Oh, alright. This critic again, same guy. He's gonna try these Cubanos, the sandwich we made with holiday leftovers.
You hear that crunch?
Yeah.
That's a nice toasted baguette you have here. I love the pickles and the cheese in there. And the spiced pork is perfect. Thank you. This is great. I would give this a 10 out of 10.
So guys, please like and subscribe. I hope you try this recipe out. And tell us what you do with your leftovers. And we'll see you in the next video. And please ring the notification bell.